Hello friends, welcome to Umar Bhatt channel. My name is Umar Bhatt and today I'm gonna share with you a very good affiliate program from where you can earn a very good money online. So the name of this platform is Bluehost. Bluehost is a very famous hosting platform, and they provide different hosting services, like you can see shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and VPS hosting, and you can also buy domains from the Bluehost. Their packages are very affordable, so anyone can buy it, and you can see like there are a lot of things, and they have like 24 by 7 experts support, so anyone can contact them regarding any question. So affiliate program, you can join from here. You can see under the programs affiliates. So if you click on the affiliates, you can see bluehost.com/affiliates, and refer visitors to Bluehost, and you can earn up to $65. Earn $65 for each qualified sign up. So the process is very easy. You just click on the sign up, and here you can see more things like it's free to join and reliable tracking, and there is dedicated team. Once you join, they will send you one email along with your tracking URL, so you can use that URL to refer people to the Bluehost, and they have a good dedicated team. They have paid over $5 million in the commission last year alone, and so it's very easy. And even if you want to promote email marketing, you can join the constant contact affiliate program. So even you have questions, you can send email to affiliates@bluehost.com, so you can sign up from here. The sign up process is very easy. Here you can select your username, your password, your first name, your last name, your phone number, and the company, okay, and street address, and city, and state, province, postal code, country, email address, primary URL, the URL address where exactly you are going to promote the Bluehost. So you can include that URL here, and they will send payments through PayPal, so you can include your PayPal email address. You have to accept the affiliate terms and conditions and privacy policy, so you have to check this, then sign up. So once you sign up, you will get an email. So after that, you will go to the login, and once you log in, so you can see I am already logged in here, so you can see my dashboard, my stats, and links. So there is links. If I click on links, simply I can use this tracking URL, and you can see my dashboard, $65 like net signups, and the one person who just registered through my referral link in this date range. If I go back to the links, you can also find here like banners and widgets. There are different options, so even widgets you can use, okay. And in the stats, you can see like in my option, you can see like total $230 pending, so that Bluehost will pay to me once they will verify the purchase, and time, I think so it's 45 days to 60, maximum 60 days they will pay. So it's very good, $65, and you can see in my payout history $65 per user, but I also get paid $100 last month, because that time they were offering $100 for one user, for one customer if we refer. So they offer different things. As you can see, I earned like $65, $100, and $65. Referring links, you can again click here, and you can see one click from the one website from referring. You can see here details like acquisition details, and if I select from here like this period, so you can see referring URL will also come, like from where the user joined the blue hosting. So you can see where you are promoting that URL, you can also see. So this is a good program, Bluehost. You can join and you can earn good money online. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.